Dr Patrick Maguire. I'm a specialist surgeon, ACVS diplomat. So I spend time doing surgery as well as rehabilitation here at VRH. As a veterinarian, as a scientist, obviously what we're always looking for is validated information. We're looking for treatments that are going to be safe and effective. What I want to do is I want to encourage people to employ rehabilitation practices that are safe, recognize when there are certain indications for certain therapies, when certain therapies are not indicated, what could potentially be harmful, those sorts of things. So provide a sense of comfort when employing some of the basic rehabilitation therapies in veterinarians' clinics. You know, the idea, particularly with the talks at the vet show, is to try and sort of speak to other vets and talk about, you know, where's our evidence currently for what we're doing? What's safe, what's not safe? You know, what are the obstacles that we face as clinicians when trying to implement these sorts of programs, and potentially break down some barriers in some areas for that. I think that it's applicable to anybody. I mean, yeah, I think that we want to sort of, just as the treatments that we provide here at VRH and obviously at other centres as well, is always a team approach. Everybody's involved. So I think that it's important that everybody has a conceptual understanding of what we're trying to achieve. And you know, as part of the medical treatment teams, I think that, you know, there'll be something hopefully for everybody in the talk. I think Singapore is a good environment for this sort of thing because we're sort of, you know, in a lot of ways in the centre of Southeast Asia, and I think that there is a lot of development that's occurring in the veterinary field, not just in Singapore. I think Singapore's, I'd like to think, a regional leader in that respect, but yeah, I think that there's a requirement and a need for you know, professional development conferences such as the Singapore Vet Show. It's a great opportunity to network with people. I think we're going to have a lot of good vendors there. It's going to be an exciting atmosphere. And I think it's a real opportunity in the region for everybody to get together. And I think that there are obviously some very excellent speakers that are going to be at this talk. We have a very good program. So I think it's very exciting and a fantastic opportunity for everybody to attend.